interesting because where you'll find out maybe a 50-year-old man rape a 5-year-old, which you'll find when you find out the perpetrator, you'll find is the grandfather. So the person who's supposed to protect the child or is the one who will be abusing. And the most cases we have, it will be a non-male, a cousin, a half a brother, a bio father. We found out the child was being abused in the family. So for the child to be helped, the child must be removed and placed with the other family who was not abused. That's how they get help, because now it's where they know how to deal with that trauma. Once if somebody, the perpetrator is being sent to jail, some of them is like they become healed. We are here because of we're having a case of this serial rapist of the boys. One of the victims who were playing soccer with a friend. So they saw him. So he was sitting there and watching them while they were playing soccer. So those kids, they carried on playing soccer, and I think he got tired. At the end, they got angry. They kicked the ball to him. Yeah. So while he was trying to take the ball and threw it back to the ground, then they got into him and they started beating him, and another one was called the police. Then the police came. He used to ask them, you know, I know you stay there, you're my neighbor, I know your grandfather, but I need you to help me to go and kill something. When they get hurt now, how we can't get where you're going. You said we're just going here and there. Then you start with the first victim, you gave the stock sweets. So the stock sweets are the drugging, so the child was drugged. He raped the child. Say, but the other ones, he wouldn't give them the stock sweets. He beated them before when they started. He used to beat them and then start raping them.